Shaolin monks in their 60s and 70s move with more strength and control than most men half their age. And they don't train the way you think. No weights, no reps, just 3 holds that build the kind of deep, functional strength modern fitness forgot about. Here's exactly what they do. Hold 1. The Iron Horse. Most men can't last 60 seconds in this position. That's not an insult. It's information. Drop into a wide squat, thighs parallel to the floor, back straight, arms extended forward. Hold. Everything fires at once. Legs, core, hips, under sustained tension that gym machines simply don't replicate. The burn you feel in the first 30 seconds is exactly where the strength is being built. Shaolin monks use this as their foundation for a reason. It builds the kind of lower body strength that shows up in real life. Climbing stairs without slowing down, standing for hours without discomfort, moving through your day with physical confidence. Start with 30 seconds. Work toward 2 minutes. The monks hold it far longer, but 2 minutes daily will change your lower body within weeks. But leg strength alone isn't enough. Hold 2 targets, something most men over 50 have quietly lost, and losing it is what makes the body start to feel old. Hold 2. The Iron Bridge. Here's what nobody tells you about back pain after 50. The pain is almost never where the problem is. Your lower back hurts because your posterior chain stopped working, your glutes went dormant, your hamstrings shortened, and your back has been compensating for all of it every single day. Lie on your back, drive your hips up, and squeeze your glutes as hard as you physically can. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds, 3 rounds. Don't just hold the position. Squeeze like you mean it. That intentional maximum contraction is what Shaolin training is built on. You're not completing a movement. You're reactivating a system your body switched off years ago. Men who do this consistently find that getting up off the floor becomes easier. Carrying things stops punishing their back. The nagging stiffness that follows them through every day starts to ease. That's not a coincidence. That's your posterior chain finally doing its job. Now, hold 3 is the one that surprises people most because it looks like nothing and it does everything. Hold 3. The Iron Wall. This is full body strength in one position. No movement, no equipment, just you and a wall, and more muscle activation than most gym sessions produce. Here's why it works. When you push against something that cannot move, your body has nowhere to send the force, so it recruits every available muscle simultaneously. Legs, core, chest, shoulders, arms, all firing together under maximum tension. Slide your back down a wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Press both palms flat against the wall at chest height and push like you genuinely mean it. Hold 30 to 45 seconds, 3 rounds. This is integrated strength, not isolated muscles, your entire body working as one unit, the kind of strength that keeps you physically capable and independent on your own terms. Most men over 50 have strength in parts. Very few have strength that works as a whole. This is the difference. The secret behind all 3. Shaolin monks don't train harder than modern athletes. They train differently. Maximum tension, complete stillness, controlled breathing. When the burn hits, and it will, exhale slowly instead of holding your breath. That single habit extends every hold, deepens every contraction, and is the reason monks can sustain these positions far longer than anyone expects. Try it on. Hold 1 tonight. You'll feel the difference immediately. Your challenge: Iron Horse, Iron Bridge, Iron Wall. All 3, right now. 30 seconds each, under 2 minutes total. If you can't finish, you just found exactly what you've been missing. If you can, add 10 seconds every week and see where you are in a month. That's your training. Simple, effective, no gym required.